Where are you from?
We're from Texas.
Where in Texas?
Houston.
Houston.
Yeah.
We start with our left hand, like like this. Left hand first. From the left, we move the glass to the right, and we hand hook. 3 fingers down, thumb and 1 finger up. 3 underneath and 2 up, like this.
Like this.
We normally get a big sip, and we go up and down.
Okay.
On the sides, we keep in the front, and we breathe in.
Big sip.
And go. I really hope you like mine. This year we are going to taste lots of them.
How many total?
About 10 different.
Oh boy.
Grazie.
Gotcha.
That's the truffle mushroom right there, baby.
Where? Oh,
On the top of the toast.
Some vinegar, baby.
Sí. Sí, por favor. Yummy. So this is not the truffle that we just harvested, because that one need to sit in for a few hours or even like the whole night just to get rid of the smell of the dirt, the smell of the dog and everything. So this is the truffle that was harvested yesterday. Look at that thin slice. You know what? I'm gonna pick up one of the slice, and then look at this. That's how beautiful it is. Black truffle. You can smell the mushroom, but the truffle, the smell was so strong and intense. This one, it's just so smooth. Some of the salad with balsamic is always the best. With some cheese, yes.
I like the slime with the cheese there.
So that's 3 different wine for the appetizers. Or salami. It's full of herbs. You can see it's packed with herbs.
And then take a big sip.
Grandmama lasagna. We put some truffle oil.
Grandmama's lasagna.
Sir,
And later we're gonna have some wild boar with some of the darker, thicker, more full body Chiantis. So Chianti is a blend, baby. It's a blend of 2, or in some cases 3 different types of grapes.
So these 2 right here where I had with the appetizers, they are Chianti. This one is bland. It's not bland, but it's much lighter. This one is a little bit stronger. This one was the third one.
More full body.
More full body of the appetizers, and now it's the
This one's
4th
even-
one.
yep, even stronger, even more full body, full flavor.
And this one, that's why it's served with lasagna.
Yeah,
The heavier the meal, the heavier the wine. Because you know, if you eat like some heavy meal with full
like
texture,
a steak.
yeah, and like full flavor, and then you drink some kind of like bland wine, you cannot taste any of the wine, because your mouth, your palate is still full of the flavor from the food.
Flavor, correct.
So that's how they complement each other. This lasagna probably cannot compare with the one that we had yesterday, because it seemed like it's a lot of pasta and not much of the cheese and meat. But the most important part, they have truffle. And that's the part where I want.
And try the wine afterwards.
Oh my god, this one is even stronger than the one before.
How long has this vineyard been around?
1720.
1720. Wow.
He was an
300
crazy engineer.
300th anniversary next year.
Yes.
Oh my
2
God.
centuries.
Are you guys doing a lot of special things to commemorate
See?
that?
See?
Man, cool.
He was an engineer. He traveled around the world. He came back home one morning. He woke up and started to drink wine.
The family still owns it?
See?
Man, 300 years, family still owns it.
Cavaliere number 2. In this one we have 70% Sangiovese, 30% of Merlot. Bartolomeo number 1 we have 50-50. 50% Sangiovese, 50% Cabernet Sauvignon. Okay? 1 year in oak barrel, 1 year in chestnut, 1 year in cherry wood barrel, and 6 months in the bottle. It's an old recipe done with red wine and black olives, celery, onion, carrots, tomato.
Oh, this is a big piece.
Oh my God.
How long do you cook it for?
Long time, about 8 hours.
Wow.
Wow.
Low temperature, 8 hours. Patient with the wine.
You go ahead, tell me how it is. Oh my God, this white wine is so good.
It's strong enough to mix in
Yeah.
the flavor of the boar.
But it's also enhanced the flavor too. It's also like once you finish with the wine, it's also enhanced the flavor of the food for the next bite. It has really rich flavor from the boar and from the red wine sauce, but it also has a sweet flavor from the vegetables that was braised in it. This is really good. And the black olives is just bring a little bit kind of like a tangy, like sourness, but very light. So now we have almond biscotti with the sweet wine. So what we're supposed to do is that we're supposed to dip the biscotti in the wine for at least 10 seconds, and then we drink the wine and eat the biscotti at the same time. Oh shit.
10 seconds.
I don't know. Oh, oops. Wow, it has to be in there 10 seconds anyway.
Should have one before.
Is it 10 seconds yet?
Yeah.
Alright. So by this time, I'm free and tipsy. I'm full and sleepy. Please don't judge me for my face. And this biscotti is so good. It's full of almond flavor. It's crispy and it's kind of like flaky. And it's sweet. And it has a lot of sweet wine flavor in it. I love it. So good. Too much wine. I need to go back to the city, to the hotel, and go to sleep now. So we finished with our truffle hunting, wine tasting, and the 4-course meal. Oh, what do you think, baby?
What an experience. This dinner, they'll be celebrating their 300th anniversary in 2020.
So it's the same family. Been running it, own it, run it the whole time for 300 years soon. It's such an amazing experience and I love every minute of it. I learned so much about wine and now I'm a little bit tipsy and sleepy and full. It's amazing.